If I were to change one thing for schools, I would probably say have the homework assignments a little bit more difficult. Just as hard as everyone else, just as hard as all the students are doing. Because I remember, back then when I was in high school, I would have homework assignments that are a little bit, that kind of easier to answer and all the other kids kind of got something a little bit different. I didn't really complain as much. I just kind of thought to myself, man, I thought I could do a little bit better than this. It's like hey, everyone else is doing hard assignments. I thought I might well give it a try. Now, of course, I don't really speak for every school across the nation or anything like that, because everyone is so different. However, I'm just saying that if something was different from my experience in school, then it would be the option to have either the easier homework assignments or the harder homework assignments. The stuff that everyone else is doing. It's a bunch of people who don't have autism do these kind of homework assignments. So I thought it'd be kind of nice to, give it a try. Give it a shot. Have that little option of just going for those harder assignments. And if you need to help with them, then that's why you got the parapros and teachers to help you. It's okay to ask as many questions as you want, as long as you want to understand the material and want to continue on this. Then I think that is all right with me. So that's one thing I would probably change is just having the option to either choose either the easier ones or to challenge yourself and go for the harder homework assignments. So yeah, that's my answer for that question.